What if the jeans you wore to work today were actively cleaning the air around you, and the feathers on your evening gown were grown from plants instead of taken from birds? Stella McCartney debuted two world-first material innovations at her Spring 2026 show at the Centre Pompidou in Paris. PURE.TECH is a technology developed by Italian technologist Aldo Salazzo, based in Barcelona, that is applied to denim fabric. As air passes over the surface, it absorbs CO2, nitrogen oxides, and volatile organic compounds, converts them through a natural chemical reaction into stable mineral particles, and releases them as harmless byproducts. The denim actively cleans the air while you wear it, in both light and dark conditions. FEVVERS is the world's first plant-based alternative to real feathers. Developed by UK startup FEVVERS, naturally dyed and hand-stitched onto 3 corseted gowns by Mumbai embroidery house Chanakya International. It is still in development and the exact plant composition has not been disclosed, but Stella McCartney said plainly, brands that continue using real feathers are choosing cruelty over creativity. Have you ever wondered what it would look like if a smartphone became the official camera of a fashion film premiere, and the film it was shooting was The Devil Wears Prada 2? Samsung launched a global collaboration with 20th Century Studios for The Devil Wears Prada 2, in theaters May 1, 2026. The campaign centers on actress Helen J. Shen as her character Jin, who handles a last-minute Miranda Priestley request using Circle to search with Google on the Galaxy S26 Ultra, turning a software feature into a narrative device inside a fashion world pressure scenario. At the film's world premiere at Lincoln Center on April 20, Samsung introduced the first-ever Runway Cam hashtag with Galaxy. The Galaxy S26 Ultra used to capture red carpet looks from Meryl Streep, Anne Hathaway, Emily Blunt, Stanley Tucci, Simone Ashley, Lucy Liu, Heidi Klum, and Winnie Harlow in cinematic, social-ready footage. Samsung's CMO said it directly. Great technology should feel as intuitive as great style. Did you know that just 15 minutes and 9 seconds of movement produces measurable positive effects on mental well-being? And that ASICS just built an entire installation around that single scientific finding at Milan Design Week? ASICS debuted Kinetic Playscape at Garage 21 in Milan's Risorgimento neighborhood from April 22 to 24, the brand's first ever consumer-facing activation in Italy and its first appearance at Salone del Mobile. Designed by Los Angeles Studio Nuova, the installation is a 5-room journey conceived as a fictional ASICS research institute, blending Italian radical design with Japanese minimalism. Each room corresponds to a different physical and mental state, from the weight of earth underfoot to the lightness of a body in motion. Visitors wear the new Gel Kinetic 2.0 sneaker inside the space, featuring scutoid GL technology for cushioning and a TPU support cage for stability, and move through the installation physically rather than observing it. The product is experienced, not displayed. What if the smartphone you carry everywhere was about to be replaced by a pair of glasses? And the company closest to making that happen is Snapchat. Snap Incorporated launched Snap OS 2.0, the operating system powering its Spectacles AR glasses, and the upcoming consumer version called Specs, launching in 2026. The current Spectacles run on dual Snapdragon processors, 4 cameras including 2 infrared computer vision cameras, stereo speakers, a 6-microphone array, and Wave UI displays with a 46-degree field of view. Snap OS 2.0 adds an overhauled browser with WebXR support, a spotlight lens that plays vertical video spatially overlaid onto the real world, travel mode that stabilizes AR content in moving vehicles, and Eye Connect that initiates shared AR experiences by simply looking at another person. 400,000 developers have already built over 4 million lenses for the platform, integrated with Google Gemini and OpenAI. The consumer specs will be smaller, lighter, and built on the same OS. Snap CEO Evan Spiegel has described the launch as a make-or-break moment for the company. Have you felt the shift in how we define luxury ownership? The fashion resale market is now on track to grow 3 times faster than traditional retail over the next 5 years, rewriting the rules of the entire industry. It's a poetic evolution where a garment's story doesn't end at the boutique, it's just the beginning. We are witnessing a beautiful renaissance across the world. In the US, Depop's creative community saw a massive 54% jump in sales, while Grailed breathes new life into rare streetwear and vintage treasures. In London, Sign of the Times honors over 45 years of pre-owned luxury heritage, alongside platforms like Poshmark and eBay that connect millions through the shared love of archival fashion. Even the ultra-luxury world is being reshaped by pioneers like FASHIONPHILE, ensuring that coveted handbags and jewelry are preserved and authenticated at scale. To weave it all together, visionary tech like Future Reference now saves your purchase details instantly, making reselling a seamless, effortless art form for the future. It's smarter, it's deeply emotional, and it's a breathtaking new chapter for modern style. Here are the week's top news. If you want to get more fashion tech news items of the week, check out our new podcast, 360 Fashion, or go to 360fashion.net/podcast or search for it on your favorite podcast platform. Don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss our latest episode. Let's get connected for our latest news and updates. Follow us on social media.